Hi friends, this is Om Namah Shiva. You are welcome to my presentation Oil, Gas, Water. Part number 2. Part number 1, we understand how the fossil fuels are forming the oil reservoirs. Now, part 2, we are going to learn working structure of oil, water, gas. Okay. This oil, water, gas companies are working in three segments. Upstream segment, midstream, and downstream. In upstream area, you can say upstream industry, the purchasers of the land will carry out geological survey, mining and drilling, and manufacturing. Midstream in industry, the oil which is produced at upstream will be transported through pipelines from the storage tanks. From the midstream industry, it will be further transferred to downstream industry. Once the crude oil reaches to downstream industry, they will process in different methods. The outproducts, which are diesel, petrol, naphtha, heavy naphtha, light naphtha, gas, they will distribute the products to retail outlets. This upstream industry, now let us see each of them in detail, which means upstream, midstream and downstream. Now, upstream industry area also known as exploration or production area. Upstream refers to points in production that originate early on in process, often applied to the oil and gas industry. Upstream activities are exploration, drilling, and extraction. These three stages. Oil exploration involves in search of oil basins under the earth. Here, geologist, geophysicist conducts a gravitational and magnetic survey, and by readings the earth gravitational field and magnetic field, the presence of these sedimentary rocks are detected and the data is analyzed along with the satellite images and finds the area where these oil and gas reservoirs may exist. Oil extraction involves in search of oil basins under the earth, what we have discussed just now. You can see these figures also, this slide. Once the survey is completed, through the satellite images, they mark the specific areas where oil, gas, both oil and gas are no production areas. Clear? This will be marked on the specific land areas. Now they go to seismic survey. Once they completed geological survey, then they will carry out the seismic survey. What is the seismic survey? We need 2 trucks. You can see this. Try to understand how many trucks are there: receiving point, reflection path, short point, refraction point, first layer with lesser density, second layer with greater density. You can see the difference of the densities. Now, once the seismic survey is completed, the operator will try to install 2 trucks like this. The 2 trucks are exactly placed opposite directions. And the seismic survey vibrator truck, you can see this vibrator truck, will produce low frequency sounds. Huh? The vibrator truck will produce low frequency sounds by hitting the earth surface, with hydraulic rams. Yes. These low frequency seismic survey sounds travel within the earth and reflects at different intensities at earth soil layer basis on the type of soil present. Okay. You can see this vibration truck, how it is giving vibration. You can see this receiving truck. Okay. It is clear or no? Yes, it is clear. And these reflex seismic survey wave signals are received by the highly sensitive geophones. You can see the geophones. This collected data is furtherly processed in supercomputers and produces a 3D images, various earth layers and their structure. Identifies layers like this: alluvium, freshwater, confining layer, oil reservoir, confining layer, gas reservoir, again confining layer, unminable coal. Previous part 1 we understand what is peat, how the coal is forming, and below the coal, saline water. This is what exactly happening in the working structure of the oil, water, gas. Thank you very much and hope this is useful. If you don't understand, please go through again of the part 2 slides. Read, it is very clear, you can understand. All the best, my friends. Have a wonderful time. Thank you very much.